Do you want to know how you can sign up in Wombo Dream? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up in Wombo Dream. Go ahead and open Wombo Dream, which is on your phone. Now click sign in and click sign up. Now click continue with Google. Wait for a while and log in to your Google account. After a while, you can see that you can set your username. So go ahead and set your username of your choice and then press the tick mark. Now you can see the username is available. Go ahead and press next. Click on maybe later, and that's it, guys. You have now signed up in Wombo Dream and you can start creating AI art. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.